Okay, so it's Christmas Eve and I'm just in the workshop and it's been pretty chaotic here last 3 weeks, I think. So I haven't done many videos because obviously I'm just been head down, ass up, making as many things as I can. And now it's time to clean up this hellhole because I want to do a workshop tour tomorrow where that's what we're going to do for the video, and I need to clean this hellhole up. Okay, so workshop's all cleaned. It's Christmas Day. I've got to do this quick video for you guys. Obviously, I want to wish all our clients, and whoever's following us, a Merry Christmas. So I'm going to do this quick video because I've got to get into the kitchen and start cooking up our Christmas lunch. Anyway, let's do this tour. Okay, so this is my main jewellery workbench that I use for obviously cleaning up most of the silver castings. Obviously I've got like the soldering torch, I've got the pendant drill, what else? Obviously all my hand tools are down there. Also have the skin, which obviously catches all the metal so it obviously doesn't go down onto the floor or on top of the workbench. So here, got little spots. So I have all these little spots here. So tools in here, got files there. Snips, all sorts of pliers going on here. Have the smaller files and stuff. Saw. This is the most used tool, I guess, in the workshop, which is the pendant drill. So over here we have the rolling mill. So this rolling mill has square and then flat on the same mill. So this is where we obviously roll out the metal to the thickness that we need. So whether we need wire or whether we need plate, we'll use these rolling mills. So this bench here is the middle bench, and this is where we do all the wax carving. So obviously I want to keep the wax away from all the silver and gold dust, because obviously I don't want to impregnate the wax with silver, and also too, this wax can make a lot of mess as well. So what do we have on this bench? We've got a couple of micro motors, got a few little tools here, sizing stick to basically get the finger size of the waxes. We've got wax files, toothbrushes. We've got our little heating irons here. And we've got all sorts of little scrapers and obviously some waxes. So that's basically a rundown of the wax bench. So this bench here is super handy because obviously not only does it have my wax injector on here and all my punches, my stamps, it also holds all my rubbers. So obviously here we have all our rubber molds ready to go. So when we want to use the wax injector, we've got our rubbers right there. Also, there's quite a lot of storage, so I've got like all my video equipment here. I've got some t-shirts in here and just extra storage space. So also up here have another toolbox, so there's more rubber molds there. And obviously most importantly, the wax injector. So what happens is when I've actually got this on, we use this to inject the rubber molds. Now this is the third bench and I haven't got it completely set up yet. I want to get a drill fixed for this. I've got like about 3 or 4 that I need to like recondition. Also I'm going to put like a microscope there for doing setting work, and I really want to like sort of practice my setting skills, so obviously having the microscope is going to be pretty handy. So hopefully we're going to do a few videos on setting and using the microscope. So can't wait to get this bench set up for 2022, I guess. Anyway, let's take another look around in the next room. Okay, so this is the office space here. Basically where all the invoicing and paperwork, bill paying gets done, but also it's where I do all the video editing. So I'll be obviously editing this video tonight and hopefully get it up very quickly. Obviously with video editing, it takes a lot of time. Easy doing the videos, but editing, it takes some time. And that's where I'm struggling at the moment, is finding the time to do these videos, and hopefully next year I will be able to pump out more videos as I get quicker at doing the editing. Anyway, that's pretty much the main workshop, and I'm going to do another video on the casting room. So Merry Christmas everyone, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so I didn't actually get this video done on Christmas Day. So the reason why was I was actually getting the casting room all sorted out, so I got pretty busy in there, because obviously that's going to be the second part of this video, is a workshop tour on the casting room side of things. So I was making a few changes in there, and it's all ready to go. So there'll be part 2 to this video, and I'll get this one uploaded shortly. Cheers.